Good morning guys. We're back with another one. We should have a fun adventure today. The sun just came up, I don't know, about an hour ago, 7:10 in the morning. Sliding through to pick up my boy Chinkers. He's gonna be with us today. It's my road dog. We're gonna be filming some content up in the mountains. Should be a good day. So we'll see what we can get into. All right, let's do it. What's up?
How you doing?
Good. I like the new beard look, dude. You can finally grow it enough that you can rock it different ways. Are we doing this with this pole again, dude? Out of all the nice poles you could buy, dog, you gotta get the one that doesn't collapse. Like, how does that even make sense, dude? You know what I mean? Like, why would they make a pole that doesn't collapse? What's the point of that?
Smells like bacon.
I just burped, bro. You know this song?
No, but
Hold on, let's start it over. You probably know it, dude.
oh, this is how we do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know this song.
They play this at the club when you go there, huh?
This is how we do it.
This song came out before you were born, bro. For real, though. Bro.
I have a 362 dog, but like you bring it down, you can like do your point of view. You know what I'm saying?
Where's that at, bro?
It's in the truck.
Grab it. I want to mess with it.
Right, dude.
All right. Let's mess up. Just like that, man.
Just like that.
Chinkers
It's your boy AK, you know. It's your boy Chinkers.
Where are we going today, Chinkers?
I don't know, dog.
All right, we stopped at this spot right here. We got this nice little hole down here. We're gonna go hit. Nice easy path down. So we're gonna go down there and see if we can pull anything out. Tell them what's up, Chinks. What do we got?
Shit, should we open the mystery box or what?
We got the mystery box. Let's see what we got, man.
Little steal at Walmart, $9.
Chinkers finessed the lady into making her think that it was only $9 instead of 17 or whatever it was supposed to be. Well, that's Walmart slipping, mislabeling stuff. We gotta hold them accountable.
Spinner.
What we got? Ooh, nice little spinner. Might have to try that out today.
Little black tadpoles. I don't know what the heck.
What is this?
I don't know.
What do we got here? Freedom baits. This was, I mean, this is perfect. Today's July 5th. Yesterday was the 4th of July. We got the freedom baits. See if we can get some freedom with the freedom baits today. What else do we got? Got a little orange spinner. Might do work out here. All right. I think that'll catch a fish out here.
Oh yeah. Hooks.
Some cricket hooks. Cricket hooks to put those on.
I'm assuming so.
All right.
Chop them out.
Nice little paddle bug. Some nice scores here. Cool little sticker. Couple more baits. All right.
Like a finesse.
Not bad.
This might do the trick, dude.
That's cool. What are you gonna use, Erik? You gotta use something out of the mystery tackle box.
Yeah.
See if we can pull something out of this hole with the mystery tackle box here. You can throw that spinner on?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, he's gonna try this silver spinner that he pulled out of this mystery tackle box. I think it's a good call. All right, guys, check it out. Mystery tackle box number 2. Let's see what I got in mine. It's like Christmas, man. You never know what you're gonna get. Fishing tips and tricks. Ooh, some nice little crappie jigs. Won't use those today. Nice little bass lure. Keep that for a different day. Maybe try it out somewhere today. Not here in this spot though. All right, we got this spinner. Okay, this might help us out today. And here we go. We got some of these soft lures and some of these. We might give these a go later today. Throw it on one of these hooks. They look like they fit on there perfectly. Why not? Who knows? We might even try those later today too. But we'll probably start out with the spinner here. And I'm gonna give this spinner a go while Chinkers gives his a go. And I think on my second pole, it's already rigged. I gotta put a new leader on for a worm from the bottom. So it might also just throw a worm out here too while we throw our spinners, just to see what happens. Let's do it. I want to throw something right back in that hole. Should we hit it with the spinner or with the worm first?
Hit it with the spinner.
Alright, check it out, guys. Here's what I'm gonna do. You see the current right here. We got a nice pool behind this rock. So this is a good spot, and also the tail end of this current's a good spot kind of over in there. I think I'm gonna throw the worm out there on the tail end, and then I'm gonna hit this cooled up hole right here with the spinner a couple times, and we'll see what happens. What's that? You had one follow it? Let's go. See how cold the water is. Oh, that'll light you up. Bro, this water is ice cold, dude. Hey, do you want to like bounce down here and fish this, and I'll drop the worm right in the hole? Erik, coming in hot. Yeah, I think through here. All right, here we go, guys. Where's that machete at?
Morning, guys. Boom.
Almost got snagged. Oh, right in there. Dang, dude. Yeah, it's not that bad, but like getting out there will be cool, but I think I'm gonna like walk around. I thought it got shallower over here to walk across. I'm not even sure it does. I might just walk through. Get the shorts wet. Dude, this water is so clear. All right, so we were driving. Erik spotted a little spot back there. There's a nice little hole we saw from the road, so we parked, and then you saw us hike back in there. We went back there, and we hit it for about 10 minutes. Figured out, I mean, the water was so clear, it was ridiculous. Fly rod might have done work back there, I don't know, but with the small area, we basically figured we fished it for 10 minutes. If there was something in it that we were gonna get, we would have got it. So normally, you know, you'd stick and move along the river, except this is kind of like spotty spots, no pun intended, along the river. So there's one here, there's one there. So anyways, we couldn't have really hiked down up the river looking for anything else. So we're gonna hop back in the truck, keep driving up river, and keep looking for more honey holes. So let's do it. All right, so we pulled up here, we're driving by. We got some nice little holes over here. You can't quite see them from the road, but if you can see right here, pretty steep little hike down, but you know, nothing we haven't done before. So that's what you got to do to get to the spot sometimes, guys. So I feel like this is a nice little hole here, something that we could fish for at least an hour or so, see what happens. It looks like it's nice and deep. So yeah, we're gonna grab our stuff, we're gonna hike down in there, and we're gonna see what we can pull out here. Quit being dramatic, dude. Oh, dog, you better stop yourself. Say what?
Yeah, cut my ass off.
Did you really? I feel like there's another one over here that might even be better. This one's way better.
Is it?
Yes, it's like a staircase. Sorry, bro, you should have looked before you went. You just sent it, dude. Oh, that way was so much easier. Oh, look at this, guys. This is a nice deep hole all the way against the rocks. Let's go. Give it a go, dude. Check out all these butterflies. Never seen anything like this. Dude, look at the color on those things, dude. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Wow. Guys, Eric's down there, caught a second dink. Did you catch those on that spinner? Right in here, huh? On the spinner?
Yeah. I think I kept the thing on twice. By that big rock.
You were casting way down there?
Go over there by the dry rock and then cast by the big rock and let it go against the current.
Are you going back over that way?
Yeah.
I got that pole still in the, it's on the bottom with the bell on it, in that hole. Cool. trout, guys. Look how beautiful this is. It's hot out here. I don't know how hot it is. The water's nice and fresh. We gotta take a dip, man. It's cold. It was good though. Man, what a beautiful day out here, guys. Check out the scenery. Beautiful weather. The water is as fresh as it gets. We're just out here enjoying ourselves, seeing what we can get into. Hopefully we get into some fish. Kind of fished this area out. We've been here a little over an hour. So we're probably gonna hit it with a few more casts, let the sun dry me off a little bit, and then hop back in the truck and head upriver and see what else we can find. I think this is an area they hang out in. They like that deep pocket here. Yeah. Get the net, buddy. Oh yeah. Get down there, get down there. Oh, come on, man. Here it comes right here. Let's go!
Dang it, baby.
Let's go. That's a nice cutthroat right there. Dang. Oh, let's go. Oh, buddy. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Let's go.
Come now.
Doug, I told you I followed it that first time and you're like, no. I was like, it might have been. I think the one that followed it the first time was even bigger. Got one. Oh! It was a small one. It bit the lure, but didn't take the hook. I put the split shot so it'd sink down in the water more. Because it was just skimming too close to the surface. I need it down in the water. But really, I had a trout that just bit it, but it bit like the back end of the lure, you know? So it wasn't a very big one. Right there again, right there. Same thing, did you see it? Look. It just bit it again right here, dude. It took it again. It was too small to swallow the whole thing, that's why. It just kept biting the tail. Again. Again. Dude, it keeps on happening. It's biting the tail where there's no hook. Right in this little pocket right here. You guys snag already? Why you keep missing them? There's Eric catching the dinks again. Always catching the dinks.
Dink master, baby.
Here he is. See if he can pull a big one out now. Feel good about it. I don't like this hole. This is the dinks. Over there, I think it was the big daddy's at. The dink master. Boys and girls, the dink master is here. There's some more little dinks over here. Let's keep the day moving. So we're continuing down the road, and I seen this hole right here from the road, and you can see that over there. There you go. You see that coming in right there? All right, there's got to be a monster in there. So I'm gonna let Eric hit it. I already caught a monster for the day. He's got nothing but dinks, okay? The dink master over there. So he's caught more fish than me, but my one fish is like all of his added up. So anyways, there's a lot more nice fish in this river. Hopefully we can get another 1, 2, 3 today. We're gonna keep hitting spots, but this one right here is one of those 5 casts, and if you don't get one, there's probably not one in there, but I wouldn't be surprised also if he gets one on the first cast. So let's see what happens. Cast like straight over this and like pull it back in. Hey, he got another one. Let's go hit the other hole down here. Found another hole down here. Didn't have any luck at the last one. I actually caught a couple small ones, but no monsters that we were after. So we're gonna go down here and hit this one. It's a little hike down, but this one looks nice. So we'll see if this is the one. Here we go. You guys see all those springs pouring in? Right here, over there. I wouldn't be surprised too if the fish know that and they like those coming in, that oxygen. That's awesome. The water might even be a little bit warmer. That might be hot spring water that's pouring in. So if this is nice hot water, fish are gonna like it. Yeah guys, the water's pretty warm here. Let's go. Snag? Dang, dude, that tipped too. Like, that was like a bite, dude. I wonder if you snagged it after a bite. Keep going, or you gonna re-rig? Well, we tried a couple casts, no luck. He broke off, so instead of re-rigging and hiking back down here, we're just gonna keep going down the river and see what else we can find. Let's do it. Guys, look at all this sheep. This is crazy. Bah. Bah. Dude, they're like stacked on top of each other.
Chole.
Check this out. We stopped at this spot. Looks beautiful. We got this nice hole right here, all against this wall. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get some worms in the water. Erik's probably gonna be throwing a lure too. And I'm gonna be cooking up dinner while we do that. So I'll keep an eye on my poles while I'm cooking. He'll be keeping an eye as well while throwing a lure, trying to catch some more fish. We got this nice little spot right over here. Gonna go ahead and get down on some dinner. Let's do it. Are you still out in the deep water, or are you in the shallow water now? Oh, you got one, dude. You got one. Dude, you definitely had one. You got snagged after that? Dog, that was whack. Because you definitely had a bite. You did. You had a bite. And then you like went to set the hook and somehow got it snagged somewhere.
It's weird, huh?
Alright, well, I'm gonna get the fire going. That one you gotta start over on. Yeah, just like cast them out there and just leave them. You know, they got bites, then get them. You know how to fish, I don't need to tell you. I'm just saying, but after like what just happened, it's like, geez, like maybe just reeling them in is gonna get them snagged. So we gotta almost just try to throw them out there and leave them until either get a bite or it's time to go, you know?
Yeah.
All right, I got the fire going. Let's go get this food ready. All right, guys, I'm gonna let that fish defrost out here in the sun for a couple of minutes. Got a little frozen while it was on the ice. It's just hard like that, as you can see, the shape. So we'll let that chill. We'll get that blade up. Start getting the rest of these veggies ready. We got some steak to get ready too. I'm gonna do a big. Gonna have some nice surf and turf. So what I'm gonna do, guys, get a nice rock, clean one down here by the water. This one looks like a good size. Show you what I'm gonna do with this. This is how a rock makes steak taste good. Got the steak ready to go. Huh? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Chinkers got one. Let's go. Let's go. That's a nice one. That's a eater. Could take that one home. What's that?
Take him home?
Yeah, why not? All right, guys, that's it for part one, but there's plenty more action, so stay tuned for part two if you want to watch me cook up this fish and the steak and the vegetables and everything else. And we hit 2 more spots, the best 2 spots of the day, pulling out multiple fish in each spot. So make sure you check out part two. Thanks for watching part one. Check it out now.